is a 2002 coupe. This is the EX with the 5-speed manual. Well, let's get around. This car is 155,000 miles. Believe it or not, this section of the dash is soft to the touch, this whole front section. Though it does harden right back up further down. Here's the hazards, the radio with its CD and cassette down below. Here's the climate control, power, dual cup holders, like I said, 5-speed manual. Here's the center armrest for the driver's seat. And a little pocket here. Just goes right there. Obviously the e-brake. Here's the glove compartment. Cruise control. Sunroof, because this obviously has a sunroof. Power mirrors. Here, open the hood and trunk. Door panels, hard to the touch up above. You have some padding right there for you, for your elbow. Slightly padded on the side with this cloth. Power mirrors, window lock, power locks. Steering just tilts. Pocket right there. Sun visor has its mirror, no vanity light. You have some lighting fixtures up above. And actually, rear seat legroom is quite decent. It's not too bad. Have a cup holder right there. Wish I could take this home. Too bad. They're probably pieces of shit anyways. Oh, there's an intake. V-tec. This is a 1.7 liter. Engine sounds good though. That's enough of this one. Not to mention the cruise control. You guys got the idea. I'll do this one. This one looks a little better. This is the 2002 Civic Coupe EX, the 5-speed manual. I'm not going to get too in depth with this one because I'm going to pair this video up with another Civic Coupe I did before this video. And I just thought that this one would have been kind of neat to start up as well. Well, I guess this one will be quite easy. I'll just show you the engine and just rev it up. And maybe show off the trunk again. They have it locked. This one has a better air filter, the K&N, so this was a smarter owner. The intake. 1.7 liter. Yeah, you can tell this one sounded good. Yeah, the AC was on. That's what that noise is. Well, let's give this one a good rev. Hold the window down so you can hear it. Revved very nicely. See if I can do an exhaust shot of this one. Yeah, I really revved the fuck out of this one.